project that won third place in the biggest international competition in the world, among other competitions as well. Today I'm proudly presenting Dial. So, diabetes is a huge problem. Over 350 million people in the world are diabetic. It's a huge burden on nation's healthcare bill. And if you closely examine diabetes, we see that it's not the disease that actually kills, it's the complications. And these complications can be mitigated through diabetes management. The problem is, diabetes management is really hard. And technology is not really doing a great job at managing diabetes. We have PC-based applications, of course, that are compatible with glucometers, but they don't create a compelling user experience because the interface just looks like an Excel sheet. It does not compel the user to use it again. Mobile applications, on the other hand, are good because they're portable, but they don't go beyond data entry. They don't give you insight on how you're doing, and they don't automatically synchronize with glucometers. This is why we're presenting our solution, Dial. Dial is an online healthcare diabetes management platform that combines all the needs of diabetic patients and their caregivers into a simple and intuitive platform. It's web and mobile. I'm going to talk about Dial Mobile. It synchronizes automatically with glucometers via a cable or wirelessly, so you don't need to input manually the data. You can send the readings to whoever you want. You get personalized medical tips according to your current medical condition and get mandatory reminders as well. These are some screenshots of Dial Mobile. It's alpha version. It's running on Windows Phone. It's very simple and simple. Dial Web is the best part because it is accessible through any device that is connected to the internet. It's actually running on my tablet right now, as you can see. It's very simple. It gives you data analytics, goes beyond the data, and it is fully synchronized with the mobile application. Gives you an online community and allows for remote monitoring. If you're a caregiver, you can monitor the patient. So, these are some screenshots. It's age adaptive. It's very simple, very beautiful. These are the features. And let's talk about the market. We're looking at an exploding mHealth or mobile healthcare market, estimated to be $1.8 billion and going up to $11.8 billion. It's not me saying that, it's global data. We're targeting diabetic patients, teenagers to middle age, because they're the ones who use technology to manage their diabetes, and going global. Our competitors fail to create a compelling user experience, and they have very complicated interfaces. We tend to generate money out of a premium model, like providing the application for free and subscription, and even providing the data for insurance companies, healthcare manufacturers, to better design healthcare treatment plans. So these are our estimations. We estimate to cross $500,000 in 4 years' time and generate up to $4 million. We need $63,000 mostly that will be in the patent filing and some development, of course. So, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should invest in Dial. First reason, because you will be investing in a team that has been working together for 4 years, or for 2 years, sorry, and that has international experience with Google, Microsoft, that has won a lot of competitions together, top 2 in the Interglobal Challenge recently, top 3 worldwide in Magic, and a lot of other competitions. We're not flying solo. We have an amazing board of advisors, leaders in the pharmaceutical company, GSK, Monogram Life Sciences, and even one specialized in diabetes management, that is Western Diabetes Institute. And finally, and most importantly, you'll be investing in a product that is inspired on patients' needs, a product that was born from a real pain, and a product that will make diabetic patients' lives easier, happier, and simpler. Thank you.
What's constraining you from going to diseases, if not, main diseases that need monitoring, chronic diseases that need monitoring?
That's a really great question. To answer this question, I'm going to have to go back to the story why I actually first started this application. Because one of the co-founders' parents is diabetic. And so we were trying to think of a solution that would simplify diabetes management. We actually looked at the existing solutions and we tried to use them as diabetic patients. And we found out that, that's a very interesting point because diabetes diabetes management and other disease management like hypertension, for example, like that, are very similar. So yeah, in the future, definitely we will look into life future and other things. All right.
I think you should start now. I don't think you should constrain yourself because the platform will be very similar.
Okay.
So it will open up, like a bigger market for you, and even in terms of convincing, investors, I think you'll get a better shot at that.
All right. Thank you. We will definitely consider that.
I was looking at the way you can spend your money, the money that you have $63,000.
Yeah.
I was observing that you was spent $40,000 on patent filing.
Yeah.
I think we should think about it. I think we should get money to little product out there. We're talking about, I work for a company that had thousands and thousands of patents. And we were spending $3 million a month defending them. We never won one. Just that what makes a difference is, being the first mover advantage, market share, that's more important. It's okay,